What's going on, guys? Welcome to Mu Coder. So in this video, I don't know why I'm having the habit of saying so every time. I had to work on it to not to say so. Okay, let's start with our basic example of JavaScript. By default, we can call that example as hello program. In every language, in every programming language, especially if you have experience with dealing with that Android Studio, then you know the first template or the first example which we get to learn is known as hello world. And in C and C++ also, the name of that program is hello world. So okay, let's start. uh, See, again I had said so. So no. Okay. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We will be diving into the world of JavaScript and creating our very own Hello World program. So grab your coding gear and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a code editor installed on your machine. I am using this one, that is Notepad++, but you can use any editor of your choice. And if you know how to download a Notepad++, then you can comment below. Okay, alright, so let's write some code. Okay, so to deal with JavaScript, you must have some basic knowledge of HTML, and I think if you are a programmer or you have programmer background, then you can learn HTML in 1 or 2 days. So let's start with we will write first basic structure of HTML. Then I will tell you where you have to write JavaScript code. Okay, so let's start. Here HTML start, then your head start, then your head close, then your body start, then your body close, then your HTML close. So here's the basic structure of HTML. I don't think so that I had called HTML language as a programming language. I think it is one of the basic okay, let it be. So we had to write our code in head section. So this one is the head section. So let's start with some basic example. Let's see the document dot write bracket open double inverted comma. Hey guys, I am Mu Coder, closed semicolon. Okay, now save this. Now run this code in your any browser. I am using Chrome one. So okay. Okay. Document. Oh, sorry. We had done a great mistake. So what happened if you do this, then you will have error. But in this code you will not get any error. If you see the output, you will see the complete thing what you had write in that head section. So we had done a mistake that we had not tell the browser that which script language we are using. To do that, we had to write script type. What type of script we are using? Text type of script. And what is our scripting language name? JavaScript. Okay, so in this two tags we had to write our functions. We had to close this. Okay, if we save and now rerun this, now see what happened. See, hey guys, I am Mukoda. So from this example, we learn means where we have to write our JavaScript code, and how to write means whenever you have to write any function. So we had used this function here, that is document.write, which used to show the output, which is in this two parentheses. So we had to use our JavaScript. We had to write our JavaScript program in head section, and that too, for that we had to tell our browser that we are using JavaScript. So for that we had to write this script, and we had to mention its type, and we had to close it, and any functionality which we are using should be in this section, that is script, between these two tags, script tag. So anything more? No. Okay. Further topic we will discuss in next video. If you have any issue, then you can comment below. And once again, sorry for the fumble and lot of mistake which I am doing here. So because I am new to YouTube, I think you are not able to see the text. Or what you can do, you can watch this video in full window and high definition. Okay, thank you guys, and thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.